Stand firm and you will win life. Luke 21 verses 19. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. I trust you're doing so well and you're taking very good care of yourself. Chicken shawarma is one of my favorite go-to quick meal, dinner, lunch, or even breakfast, and I love the versatility of it. So please, I want you to take a moment and let's do this from start to finish. You are most definitely going to love this. First and foremost, need my pita bread, and I will also need my boneless chicken, and of course we will be seasoning it with some chicken seasoning, curry powder, and a bit of paprika powder. My veggies are here. I'll also be grazing it with some chicken sausages and some french fries. Yes, I love those fillings in my chicken shawarma, and these are all the sauces that I will be needing. Keep watching as I will introduce all the sauces one after the other, because there's a lot of hits and tricks there that you do not want to miss. Okay, so I will go ahead and season my chicken very well. Please be generous with it and feel free to use whatever seasoning that you prefer, okay? But with a touch of Greek style yogurt, let me tell you, that chicken to the next level. So if you have some at home, do not hesitate to add 2 tablespoons per add it and just make sure you stir very well and let every chicken receive the same amount of seasoning. Wrap it, put it in the fridge, and the next thing that I like to do is to chop all my vegetables. You can actually use any vegetables that you prefer, but here I love me some red cabbage, carrots, onions, and some cosmopolitan salad. I like them to be in whole like this and in chunks. They're so crunchy. And for my dressing, I'll go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of mustard paste, and I'll also add 2 tablespoons of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of spicy ketchup, and I also add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. The love I have for Greek yogurt these days is immeasurable. Put them in everything, almost everything now. And I also add half a lemon juice, and that is all, family. I'll just mix it and my dressing is made. Look how beautiful this came out. So good. It's showtime. For this particular recipe here, I need my pita bread to be very light as possible. If you use the whole bread, it kind of gets a bit hard once you put it on the grill pan. So I go ahead and divide it into 2 equal parts. It is really easy, very easy, as you see on your screen. Tried using it in whole, but it was too hard for me. So doing this really made it more enjoyable, in my opinion. It's finally showtime. Oh, I love this part so much. No, that is yours. The chicken shawarma is yours, so you just fill it the way that you prefer, and as demonstrated on your screens, that is exactly how I love mine to be. Enjoy. Always a struggle, so don't worry, we all fail sometimes, okay? Keep on trying and I believe you get it, okay? Important thing is to make sure all your fillings are intact in your bread, okay? And what I normally use to help me is my parchment paper, and yeah, it really forms it well, as I will be also putting it on my grill pan later on. This really helps. If you have struggle with it, please use your parchment paper. It works really well. It makes it so easy. Right now, all that you have to do is to repeat until everything is done. And yes, this is such a soul food, and add more veggies if you want. All other vegetables will be so much welcome here. And look at that beautiful colors. They are so good. And we're about to enjoy, fam. Let's open it up and see how it went. Just look at this. It was super soft and so juicy in the inside as well. So good. I mean, your entire household is going to love this recipe so much. Please try it. The outside is looking so inviting. So right now, let's cut it open. So yummy. I promise you, if you have this in your mouth, you're going to say the entire time. It is so delicious and mouth-watering. So it always depends on when you're having this. So if you're having this in the morning, for example, then you would take out the French fries. Of course, these were our dinner and we had to make it full. Okay, it was so good. Yes, every drink that you prefer, just add it and push it down well. Thank you so much, family, for watching. watching till the end. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much once again for watching, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.